It was no surprise to me to hear that Toronto has been named one of the top destinations to visit in 2019 by Nat Geo. It is one of my favorite places in the world, because it is so multicultural. You can travel around the world in a day here. So today I'm taking part in the Interact $100 challenge, where I'll be spending only $100 going around Toronto in a day and visiting some of my favorite places. Starting the day off right with an espresso. I'm in Little Italy at a Sicilian cafe. I'm also gonna have a cannoli. You can't have an espresso without a cannoli. And I know this because I'm Sicilian and I gotta do it right. I don't even add sugar. You don't need it if you are having good espresso. Zing! If you've never had a cannoli before, you're missing out, first of all. Second of all, go get one now. Oh, so good. What I love about this place is, like, you get authentic espresso, authentic cannoli, handmade here, like good quality coffee right from Italy using like Italian espresso machines. So I pretty much feel like I'm in Italy, and I've been, so I could close my eyes, sip on this espresso, eat this cannoli, and be like, where am I again? I'll pay Interact. That was delicioso. And when you only have one day to explore a place, you don't want to waste any time, which is why Interact Flash is so great, because you just touch to pay and go for any purchases under $100. And also, you're paying from your own account when you use Interact Debit, so you don't have to pay any bills or interest later. I'm now in Little India and I'm heading to an Indian wedding later this year, so I'm actually looking for some sort of item of jewelry, something that's gonna make like a statement. This is the place to find just that, and also for cheap. There's a store right here. I'm gonna head in and see if I can find something. There's a hidden gem in this shop. There's actually an upstairs and they have more like bridal stuff and jewelry, so that's where I'm gonna head and see what I can find. I love India for many reasons, but especially how colorful it is. And the fashion is unbelievable. Like, look at the work here, like, so unbelievable. Can I see that one?
Are you guys done? I just finished too.
I got these bangles. So pretty. $5. That's a steal. There's this restaurant across the street called Bati Mahal. It's supposed to be really good. It's been recommended by people who work in this area and people that live in this area, so that is where I'm going. I'm gonna get myself some Indian food. Yeah, so I'll get the veggie thali. Yeah. I'll do a mango lassi.
All for here?
For here. Yeah.
Anything else?
Nope, that's all. A lot of food for $10. Oh my god. And a mango lassi. Indian culture, you use your hands when you eat because you don't want the taste of metal in your mouth. And it's just like more of an experience when you're eating with your hands. You get to feel your food and like, it's just a more intimate experience. So that's what I love about it. The intimacy of it all. I got some mali kofta, palak paneer, al gobi, got some naan, we got some rice. Damn good. Holy crap, that's good. I love mali kofta. I love that I was just in Little Italy having an espresso, and now I'm in Little India having Indian food. It's like I traveled across the world all in a day. and it's all in Toronto. I love that. I love that about this city. So multicultural. There's like real authentic flavors. Real authentic India, authentic Italy. I was just in Little India, now I'm in Koreatown. I jumped on the subway, I'm here. Very short travel time, and I'm gonna do some karaoke, some shopping, and there's even a poop cafe. We're definitely going to that, because poop cafe. Getting some of these. I wonder how much they are. $1.50. Sweet, they're so cute. That's what I love about like Korean culture, because it's like being a kid forever. As an adult, they like appreciate this type of stuff. Like Pikachu. And there's even a popsicle stick. I've never wanted to eat socks until now. This is so cute. A little moonlight for Kai. Yeah, she'll like it. That was so much fun. That was like stepping into Korea. So much fun. I ended up getting like a light, some magnets, and some nail art tattoo thingies that are just super, super cute. And now I'm gonna go eat some poop. Let's go. Oh my God, that's awesome. The fact that it says have a nice poop makes me smile. I wanted to go to Korea for years, so I've done a lot of research on like cool places to see and things to do. And when I came across an article on a poop cafe, I was like, that's just the only reason I need to go to Korea. And I heard that they had one in Toronto. I got so excited. Here I am, about to experience my first toilet ice cream. If only my poop actually looked like this when I landed in the toilet. So weird, but I love it. I love the weird Korean culture. Awesome. So fun. This is gonna make me sound better. Is super popular in Korea, so here I am in Koreatown.
Singing karaoke all by myself.
That's a lie. See, it's my camera.
And we're gonna make you lose your mind.
And there you have it. I just traveled around the world in a day for only $100. Now I want to hear from you guys. What would you have done for $100 in the city you're from? Let us know. Leave a comment below.